guys. We're going to look at the aftermath of the quarter sticks and half sticks. So, this was probably done by a half stick. I don't quite remember, but it's crazy. It completely blew this one apart and this one. The one in the video, I believe, was a half stick. So this is definitely a half stick, but here's the cool thing. Yeah, it blew the heat shrink off, but check this out, it's still sealed. And one. But yeah, that's crazy. Our stuff seals so well that even a half stick can't take that off. And it even blew the bottom out. That's pretty cool. Let's see, Revenge Barbecue just got kind of sprayed by the other sauces. No real damage to this one. The heat shrink was a little damaged. The Pueblo Pop got completely obliterated. I guess you could say it was pretty poppin'. And the Pueblo Chili Salsa Verde, this was hit by a half stick. It only really, or a quarter stick, sorry. And this one really only got the bottom pushed out. So I guess the explosion came from the back and then it pushed the bottom out. Like, that's pretty cool.